Hello cuties, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is my family's forever favorite recipe. This is fresh fruit cream, a perfect colorful dessert that is perfect for any celebration. Whenever you are craving something sweet, just go grab it, make it, and it's ready in 5 minutes. To make this, we need colorful fruits. मेरे पास जो फ्रूट्स अवेलेबल थे आई हैव टेकन ऑल दोज यू कैन टेक एनी fruit of your choice. And guys, the fun part of this recipe is chopping these fruits, and this part of the recipe is my daughter's favorite because she loves chopping the fruit. Okay, now comes the basic step, taking full fat fresh cream, and we have to whip it nicely until it becomes very fluffy and creamy. I am adding here jaggery powder. You can add any sweetener of your choice. Now goes the most satisfying part, to add all the fruits, chopped fruits into it. I have taken papaya, grapes, then I've taken apple, banana, and pomegranate for perfect garnishing. I also took some seeds and raisins for that. You know what guys, one of the biggest benefit of homemade fruit cream is that you control everything. The sugar level, the quality of cream, the freshness of fruits. No preservatives, no artificial colors, just real ingredients. And it is ready within 5-10 minutes. Refrigerate it for 30 minutes before serving it. Serve it cold, garnish with some nuts and extra pomegranate. Simple, quick, nutritious, delicious fruit cream is ready. Subscribe for more.